did some stuff, but
What you do?
I ran from the police.
It was September 17th, 2025, when Trooper Hunter Schwantz, during his shift, noticed a blue Ford Mustang without license plates. When he attempted to initiate a traffic stop, the driver immediately accelerated and began weaving dangerously through traffic, prompting Trooper Schwantz to call out the pursuit. The Mustang reached speeds of 110 miles per hour, splitting traffic and passing multiple vehicles, including tractor trailers. Near the 283-mile marker, the trooper executed a pit maneuver, causing the Mustang to spin, strike the guardrail, and come to a stop in the roadway. The driver was taken into custody, and while detained, he made phone calls to his mother and father. Take a look.
Yeah, I did some stuff, but
What you do?
I ran from the police.
When?
Just from minutes ago. They just totaled my car out.
They told your car out.
Yes. I'm trying to call my daddy, so I'm gonna call you right back. I'm finna go to jail.
What you mean?
I'm in a police car right now. I'm finna go to jail. They just peed in my car. My car is totaled out.
You got your ID with you or is it in the car?
No, I don't have it on me.
It's gonna be in the car.
If not, I know my number.
That subject 11 is out with. Can you?
The driver was identified as Jamarius D. Butler, who admitted he fled because there was marijuana inside the vehicle. A handgun and narcotics were recovered, and Butler was found to be driving on a suspended license. He was charged with a full list of offenses, including felony fleeing, reckless driving, driving on a suspended license, and several additional charges. On July 22, 2025, Trooper Gavin Taylor observed a dark-colored Nissan Altima traveling westbound on Interstate 40 with foreign material partially blocking the license plate. When he activated his emergency lights, the driver immediately fled, accelerating to speeds of up to 120 miles per hour.
1037. Clear speed, you direct on 1037. 190 westbound speeds. 120. Slow it down.
Two Fourth Road direction at 233. 190 westbound.
Speed's 110. TBI, wrecked out.
Yeah.
Trooper Taylor executed a successful pit maneuver, sending the vehicle off the roadway where it came to rest in the trees after a 4-mile pursuit. The driver, identified as Dedierance Roddy, exited with his hands raised and was taken into custody without further incident. He now faces multiple charges, including felony fleeing, reckless driving, tampering with evidence, and possession of a controlled substance. It was July 25th, 2025, when Trooper Nicholas Ade was conducting stationary radar enforcement on Highway 64 at the White River Bridge and clocked a vehicle traveling 73 miles per hour in a 55 miles per hour zone. After initiating a traffic stop, the driver briefly pulled onto the shoulder, then suddenly re-entered traffic and refused to stop. And just like that, the pursuit was on.
Trying to get one stopped. 64 inbound to Augusta from White County. Adam King Frank 50 William. Adam King Frank 50 William. 36 County. I'm in pursuit 64 through Augusta right now. Black Hyundai. Adam King Frank 50 William. 1037.
10-4, now correct.
Speed's 90, 64, coming up the Highway 33 in Augusta, light traffic.
Coming up the Highway 33 in Augusta, light traffic.
The suspect raced through Augusta at speeds up to 87 miles per hour in a 40 miles per hour zone, weaving dangerously through traffic and making sharp, sudden turns. Trooper Ade maintained close pursuit, carefully tracking the vehicle while coordinating with dispatch and nearby units, all while preparing to safely end the chase.
I'm on 12th Street. I'm on 12th Street. They got a flat. They just hit me. Show me your hands! Show me your hands!
The pursuit ended when Trooper Ade made controlled contact with the suspect's vehicle, preventing further movement and forcing it to come to a stop under a carport. The driver complied with commands, exited through the passenger side, and was placed in handcuffs without incident. She was then transported to the Woodruff County Detention Center, and the vehicle was secured by wrecker services, concluding the high-speed chase safely. On December 16, 2023, Trooper First Class Tyler Nelson observed a black Chrysler 200 commit a traffic violation near the 10-mile marker. When he attempted a traffic stop, the vehicle accelerated and fled westbound, prompting a pursuit.
1046, speed 83. Let the DPS truck in front of you just so you know.
He's got one passenger.
Spikes.
Somebody got spikes?
Taking 540 south. Y'all let me get up there, I got a dog.
540 southbound, what are your keys?
97. Get some spikes set up somewhere. Hey, bad, I'll call it. Northwest on secondary. 75 coming around the curve, coming up on Cloverleaf. He's throwing stuff out.
Yeah, he just took a white bag.
Yeah, heavy traffic.
2A, heavy traffic.
He's got dope flying out. Hey, y'all get off the radio record. Sorry. We're passing the Cloverleaf. H4, if you let me up there, I'll pit him out.
You want to wait on spikes?
Call everybody south of us trying to pit him.
Sergeant Roy Moomey took over as the primary unit as the suspect merged onto I-540 southbound toward Fort Smith. During the pursuit, occupants threw small baggies onto the roadway, and the driver dangerously passed other vehicles on the shoulder and grass median. A black backpack was also thrown onto the Arkansas River Bridge.
Speed to 100. Enforcement coming up 29, trying to get it medium.
10-4.
Yeah, we got a little bit of heavy traffic up here. Trying to get these boxes in a little bit. Stay down 50 miles. Last lane, man. 17, hold the traffic back there, hold the traffic back there. Take it out, 45.
Corporal Matt Price executed a pit, bringing the Chrysler to a stop. All three occupants, Anthony Brownotter, Jasmine Page, and Joshua Shepard, were removed from the vehicle, advised of their Miranda rights, and placed into custody. The backpack was recovered, containing approximately 226 grams of marijuana and 446 grams of methamphetamine. The suspects and evidence were transported to Crawford County Detention Center, and the vehicle was towed. On January 16, 2025, Trooper Tyler Riles initiated a traffic stop on I-630 for a routine violation. While speaking with the first motorist, he observed a black sedan failing to stop for his emergency lights and siren. The vehicle initially pulled onto the shoulder near Woodrow Street, but suddenly sped away, initiating a pursuit.
We got a TDI here at John Deere or at Woodruff.
Trooper Tyler Riles followed a fleeing black sedan off the Woodrow Street exit ramp and executed a pit, causing the vehicle to spin and hit the guardrail. The driver, Demario D. Robinson, fled on foot into the woods, but was apprehended without incident. Suspected marijuana thrown from the car and found inside was secured, and Robinson was medically cleared before being taken to Pulaski County Jail. On August 26, 2023, Trooper A. Escamilla stopped a black Cadillac SUV on I-40 near mile marker 171 for following too closely. Upon approaching, he detected the smell of marijuana coming from the vehicle, prompting him to ask the driver, Darian Gibson, to exit and conduct a search.
How's it going? Hey, my name's Trooper Escamilla. I'm with Arkansas State Police. The reason I'm making contact with you is you're following too close to that vehicle. The window tint's dark as well. You got driver's license? Just you traveling? Let me have you hop out and come over here to my car, okay? Do you have any weapons? Where are you from?
I'm from Maryland, but I live in Texas.
You live in Texas? Oh, that's a grill. Oh, yeah. What part of Texas?
Houston.
Houston area?
Yeah.
Okay. How much marijuana do you have in the trunk? Or how much marijuana do you have on you, period? You don't have no marijuana on you?
No, man.
Sure.
Yes.
Is there any shake or anything? When's the last time you smoked in there?
I haven't smoked in there.
It smells like marijuana.
I haven't smoked in there, man. I swear.
And whose vehicle is it?
My brother's vehicle.
It's your brother's?
Yes.
Where are you headed to right now?
Memphis,
What part? Just up.
Tennessee, yeah.
I got you. I didn't know if you're going. People say Memphis, but they're saying they're going to, what's it called, Collierville or something like that. So you're coming from Houston, going to Memphis. I got you. How long are you going to Memphis for? How long are you going to Memphis for?
Just a couple days.
Okay.
Just to visit some family.
Okay. All right. Come back here.
Trooper Escamilla placed Darian Gibson in custody while he conducted a thorough search of the Cadillac. During the investigation, the rear of the vehicle was examined, revealing numerous boxes of promethazine, which were seized along with Gibson's cell phone. The suspect remained secured throughout the search to ensure officer safety and preserve the evidence.
Adam 40, Little Rock, 1043. Go ahead.
Oh.
30 West University, the black Chrysler 300, 28.
She's opening the trunk now.
Do you have the keys?
Yes, ma'am.
Let me see.
Yeah. Nah, she didn't unlock it yet. Yeah. She's trying to unlock it and shit. She's struggling to open the trunk. She just hopped in the back. She's just seen all the boxes. Yeah, she said I was too close to it.
You know what's up. How much you got?
29 Little Rock, 1015.
70 to 29. I'm just right in front of you. I'll be back to you in a second. 43 Henry.
Hey,
Alan David Charles. 43 Henry.
Hey,
Lay that court.
just wanted to, I got a promethazine.
After the search was completed and all evidence was secured, Darian Gibson was formally placed under arrest for possession of prohibited drugs and using another person's property to facilitate a crime. The vehicle was impounded and the seized promethazine and cell phone were turned over to the Central Arkansas Drug Task Force for further investigation and processing, concluding the incident without further complications.